and that's where you were, about 10 feet higher when it was bigger. I'm gonna take this dry dirt and put it in soggy place. I've been getting tired of fixing that boggy place as we use the haul truck, and I've dug out the original pond bottom dirt that is dry on the surface, but after you dig down a few inches it was still wet. So hopefully by replacing it with this sandy dirt, it'll give us a good firm substrate for the haul truck to run back and forth on. It's going to take a few minutes to fill that up. Once I get a line of dirt across there, I'll go ahead and smooth it out, track on it, and compact it. Maybe it'll give us a good road to finish getting this dirt off this temporary haul road. Oh, sorry about that. That was my pile of debris for marking big stuff under that stuff right there. Stumps are not in excavators. Already got on one a couple of days ago, and it bent track pad. Luckily, it seemed like it was clicking every cycle when it was binding on itself. I was able to use the bucket to get real close in there and push it back, bend it down to where it was supposed to be, and so far it's doing fine. Alright, let's see how this acts. Get up in here. Make a little bit of sense out of it. too bad. Alright, lather, rinse, and repeat. We'll see how she does.